we have a very beautiful Persian song. We call it Reng. Reng is one of the very beautiful form of Persian music. Traditionally, we call it Reng, and Reng most of the time is 6/8 on its rhythm, and it's designed for dance. And it has dotted quarter note going go to 16th note, and always the 16th note would be on mezrab chap. So the rhythm would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 1, 2, 3 is not equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mezrab راست چپ راست 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 راست. At the end, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest 2, 3. This reng called reng kuchak. Kuchak means little, and it's one of the very beautiful piece by Ruhollah Khaliqi. Again, I'm going to play it for you, and I will play it faster. Now we are going to go to the middle range of our frets or on neck of instrument. So we call it a parde, bala daste. Bala means upper. Vasat daste means middle. Pain daste means lower range. So up, middle, and down. So up is bass, middle is a little bit like a 5, 6, 7 step higher, and then we are going just to go to octave. Okay, we know sol or G, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Now it's going just to teach us sol, la, 2 in the middle, la, si bemol or B flat, G, A, B flat, sol, la, si bemol, and the other interval, exactly the same intervals on si me sol, re, mi, fa, re, mi, fa on si me do, re, mi, fa on si me sol, that you know how you are going to recognize it with little bow under the numbers, finger positions. Okay, page number 22, پرده شناسی در وسط دسته means we are on middle range. Number 38, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Same. Number 40. Re, mi, fa. Here you are going just to move your finger from D or Re to G or Sol. Sol, Sol, La, Si bemol or B flat. La, La, Sol, Sol, Fa, Fa, Mi, and then you repeat this line, then Re. Number 41, 8th note. note for you. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, la, la, la. Si, la, sol, si, la, sol, fa, sol, la, la, la. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, la, la, la. Si, la, sol, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re. And the last note, last bar would be re here. So we are not going just to go up and down, up and down. All of them would be here. Number 42. We are going to experience 8th note and 16th note, of course, Ras chap. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, la, sol, la. Sol, la, si, sol. Just pay attention. We are not going to move sol most of the time. Re, mi, fa, sol. Here sol. La, si, la, sol, la. Sol, la, si, sol. La, si, la, sol, la. Re, mi, fa, sol. La, si, la, sol, fa. Si, la, sol, fa. Mi, fa, re. Here on lesson number 43, we are going just to keep staying on re by your first finger on si, mi, sol or G string, second string, re, la, la. So you are going just to cross the strings, re, la, la, re, la, and then you are going to move it to sol, sol, fa, mi. Then stay on sol, please, and do mi, sol, sol. You can again stay. So we are experiencing this interval and this interval, like cross. Mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, fa, sol, la. Sol, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re. Again. Lesson 44. You need to practice this slowly, medium, and then fast, and then very fast to just improve on your control between those two hands, left and right. Okay, I'm going to play it slowly for you first. Number 44, page 23. Faster and faster. And in the future, maybe the fastest one.